మరి కనపడదు
రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత చర్య తీసుకుంటామన్నారు. ఆఫ్టర్ ది కృష్ణా కమిటీ రిపోర్ట్ we got promise from Vice Chancellor there will be action against the faculty who are responsible for this. There will be no any action. There is no any action till now. So till now 9 Dalit students, marginalized students committed suicide. There will be no any action against anybody. Within one day, administration has taken and rusticated 10 Dalit boys. 10 Dalit students committed suicide. There is no action. Reports are there. Reports are telling system is problem. What is system? Without individual, system is there. Individuals only system. Can't you find out any individuals within the system? That is your responsibility. If you punish anybody, then that will be there very effective. Tomorrow, other people will not do like this. If administration can't do any action against anybody, this will happen. That is our argument, sir.
So, regarding that Krishna Committee report, recent report, they also asked for an independent inquiry. Just now, we got names confirmed. One, Justice Durga Prasad, retired High Court judge, is one of the members. One more person, Professor Gangadhar, former VC of Kakki University. Third person is Professor Veena, Usman University, former registrar and psychologist and counselor. These 3 members have agreed just now, in the past 1 hour. So this committee is going to independently look into the matter. Since an outside agency, you people are asking, the committee is also saying that, and that is why there is nobody from the university. 3 are outsiders. One is former registrar, former vice chancellor. Veena is a former registrar.
Sir, in what authority you can constitute a committee? High Court can constitute a committee.
High Court judge.
Retired High Court judge. No. Without any complaint.
Retired High Court judge. University is going.
Administration how can constitute a committee?
No. This is not through court. University is independently identifying one retired High Court judge.
No.
That is what
That is not.
Otherwise, how it will happen?
You give give a letter to the High Court. High Court let High Court.
You want High Court to constitute the committee?
Yeah.
Again, after giving the report, you will talk about the legality of that committee.
No, that is where High Court judge is. Retired High Court judge.
Sir, let me put one word.
Here in this university,
Sorry.
Vice Chancellor himself is appointing a committee, what is the credibility of Vice Chancellor? If any outside agency, higher authority is coming up with their committee, we'll accept. Why will
Then what is your suggestion then?
no, sir, the higher that you approach to High Court to form a judicial probe into this thing, and thorough investigation should happen, and guilty should be punished immediately.
How High Court constituted what is his name? Faizan Mustafa.
Justice Henry Ramana, Justice Henry Ramana of our in-charge High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Sumoto, he himself took the newspaper items and constituted the committee. That is how that committee has come. Justice
We will
Henry
not
Ramana
believe, sir, that the committees. See, till now, even committees have given very clear-cut recommendations by Krishna sir, Krishna committee and Pavarala committee, and no recommendations implemented till now.
Sir, actually we would have not demanded for this judicial inquiry.
Okay.
What on that day you have specified, what you have told, sir, we are going to come up with a committee. Whatever the committee finds, the facts, that will be the final. And now you are telling that committee is not final and that is only the preliminary report, and again we will go for another inquiry. What is this, sir? Now you are talking this is nothing but misleading. Okay, all the vice chancellor we have been seeing from the beginning. Okay, I have been seeing the vice chancellors. They will give a word, and immediately they will forget about it. Okay, once when a Dalit student was committed suicide, we have given a band call for the university. The vice chancellor has Khandan, sir. He has given in a written Okay, that tomorrow there is going to be a bandh call in the university, and it is going to be informed to all the departments and concerned faculty and so and so. Immediately the next day, the classes are running and all the things are going on. Okay, we cannot believe you people. Okay, that is the fact. Are you bound for the words that you have written on the day? Are you? If yes, now we will get out from this. Okay, if the Professor Krishna Committee report is the final, and if you are going to take that decision, now itself we will get out from this.
Professor, Krishna Committee itself
Okay.
recommended for another committee.
Sir, let me tell you.
What the committee?
One more thing. Of course, let them recommend for a committee, for a judicial inquiry. Okay, but however, 99.9% of the evidences. Okay, we are seeking justice for 1% from the outside. 0.1%.
You are very least bothered, sir.
You can judge here itself. Why we should go for a judicial inquiry again?
Sir, until
Okay,
committee,
you have given a written complaint. Okay, you have given in written.
sir, until judiciary probe happens, VC should resign and ProVC should take
Yes,
the in charge.
if that is the case, if you are going for a judicial inquiry and the three names which you have specified now, okay, until and unless the report comes out, the VC should resign from his post and give the in charge to the Pro-Vice Chancellor. And if the committee finds that the registrar is not a person who has involved in this case, then let sir come again and join in this post. Okay?
They are very least bothered, sir. They don't have any respect to human body. After Pulyala Raju, immediately university, how anybody can celebrate in their home if anybody dies? They are celebrating Sukun. After Pulyala Raju death,
Immediately after the second day you have given permission for
how
Sukun.
university can celebrate
Okay.
Sukun?
And you are encouraging one section.
Nine marginalized students.
Here we are suffering a
committed
lot of
suicide.
1/3 section of the campus community is suffering with one problem, and 1.4% you are encouraging the other person. Okay.
The saddest part of this whole movement is that the university is not accepting there is caste discrimination in this campus, for which we have given evident examples. The example of Madari Venkatesh is very clear. How can the university declare an intake in a public? How does it declare an intake in a public? How university declares an intake in a public? That is on the basis of the input being given by the department or center. If they have requirement, then only they will prescribe the number of intake. Now, when that center has declared an intake of 7, and out of which only 2 students have been admitted, when the center had a permanent faculty in the name of Professor Mahapatra, when it had associated faculty, why didn't this student get any guide allotment under any chemistry faculty? That's the first question. That's where parents are also telling, friends are telling how many times he has gone to each and every faculty for a guideship. That is a direct caste discrimination which happened in the campus. And I can give n number of examples which have happened, sir. There were meritorious students. There were meritorious students who were simply denied. In School of Engineering, Science and Technology, the examples which I have given are very minuscule. There were many dropout cases. There was one girl student, Sandra Diaz. She is a scheduled caste student. She was denied guide for 6 months. Then she wrote a GATE, and meanwhile she got All India 13th rank and joined in IISc Bangalore. And there was one student, Nanaji. He went and cried in front of Dean, but then also he didn't get any guide allotment. There were many students, Ashok Kumar. There were, yes, on the other day also I was briefing about the incident in Life Science which happened.
Prashant, why don't you tell that incident happened in School of Economics?
Yes.
The professor comes and says that students from West Bengal and Delhi know economics and no other else. And that professor, ironically belongs to this Telugu region. And he said that people from West Bengal and Delhi, they know economics and no one else.
Sir, it is very clear, sir. It is very clear. And you constituted a committee, and committee, everything in his, especially in Venkatesh's case, evidences are very clear, sir. Very clear. Until unless the punishment, something should happen, we will not leave. We will not leave this place, and we will agitate. This
And
is
we
our
believe that
thing, sir.
Professor Krishna
Something
committee
should happen.
report is the final one, sir. Okay. Why? Because there are n number of evidences, and you also know. There is no need of briefing again and again.
మీకు ఆ రోజు చెప్పాము మేము వీసీ రూల్ ఏంటి ఈ కేసులో ఇండివిజువల్ రూల్ అంటే మీకు చెప్పాలి మీకున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి ఇండివిజువల్ రూల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడంలో వీసీ రూల్ అంటూ ఎగ్జామ్ చేయడంలో మీకున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎందుకు చేయలేకపోయారు ఇంకో విషయం మీకేంటంటే మీరు కృష్ణా కమిటీని ఎలా బిలీవ్ చేయగలుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే మీకు తెలుసు మీకు జులైలో అతను లెటర్ ఇచ్చాడు నా ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చాడు మీరు అసలు ఆ విషయం చూడలేదు అది నేను చూడలేదని మీకు తెలుసు అయినా కూడా నన్ను ఎందుకు పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేయలేదు కృష్ణ సార్ మీకు అనుమానం రాలేదా ఎందుకు రాలేదు మీకు ఎందుకు రాలేదు అంటే మీ రోల్ ఉంది అది మీకు తెలుసు ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు తెలుసు అయినా కూడా మీరు పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేయలేకపోతారు ఆ మనిషి ఎందుకు చేయలేకపోతున్నారు ఇప్పుడు మీరు మమ్మల్ని మిస్లీడ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు ఎవరు మిస్లీడ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు కుదరదు కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు రిజైన్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది అప్పుడు వరకు మీరు రిజైన్ చేయాలి మీరు అన్నట్లు ఆయన చెప్పినట్లు ఒక కమిటీని వేస్తారు మీరు హైకోర్టు వేస్తుంది సుమోటో తీసుకుంటుంది మీరు ఏదో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు అది అవుతుంది అప్పటి వరకు మీరు మాత్రం పక్కన ఉండాలి ఎందుకంటే మీకు తెలుసు కదా మీరు తప్పు చేశారని అది మీరే ఒప్పుకుంటున్నారు నేనేం యాక్షన్ తీసుకున్నాను మీరు చెప్తున్నారు ఎందుకంటే మీరేం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నారు సపోర్ట్గా యాక్షన్ తీసుకున్నాను లెటర్ ఇచ్చాడు దాన్ని సపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటా అతను ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం నేను యాక్షన్ చేయాలని చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాను కదా తెలుసు కదా చెప్పండి సార్
You go that side. It will be very easy to go that side. No problem. Shoes you can.
We submitted very detailed report, point wise. Where are these lapses? How they approved? Even we mentioned all persons, not naming by individual, but positions we mentioned. Okay? So accordingly we submitted our report. And Krishna Committee is not a disciplinary district. We have our own limitations. Please try to understand. A professor cannot suggest disciplinary action against another professor. That is it. You must understand. So that's why we suggested. See, that's why categorically we mentioned in our last paragraph. We are referring to recommend. If you follow that word, why we are using that refrain word, you must understand. Okay? After that, I categorically mentioned that these are the things to be taken up. Okay? To sensitize the campus, faculty, call special AC with all faculty members. That is there. To inquire into lapses which are mentioned in my committee, there should be a legal committee to take action against the guilty. So this is the thing I mentioned. And another thing, important thing, of course we suggested executions. So these 4 recommendations you can find. If you find fault with the Krishna Committee report, then we can see this thing. So accordingly, I think administration started acting. What type of action they are telling? Please listen to them. If anything,
yeah, we know, sir. We know, sir. Anybody can individual names we can't mention in any report and something like that. You mentioned very clearly the positions where actually the guilt is from where and all. You mentioned. Then why we are asking administration? Why? Why can't we find out those people?
That is why the committee is
that's why they are.
Yeah, that is what, sir. That is what we got assurance from that day.
The evidence is directly clearly
Basing on my report, I think Vice Chancellor has initiated to constitute a committee with a retired judge.
No, sir. Now we are not able to believe.
ఆ రిటైర్డ్ జడ్జి తోటి ఆ మెంబర్స్ తోటి ఎంక్వైరీ పూర్తి చేసి విచారణ మనకు ముందుకు వచ్చేదనక రిపోర్ట్ వాళ్ళు తెచ్చేంత వరకు మా ప్రొఫెసర్ రామకృష్ణ రామస్వామి రిజైన్ చేయాలని మా ప్రధాన డిమాండ్ అంతే
అది మీరు చెప్పండి.
కమిటీ ఆల్రెడీ
ఏమంటారు సార్ యాక్షన్ తీసుకోండి ప్రొఫెసర్ల మీద యాక్షన్ తీసుకోండి సార్ బ్రో సార్ బ్రో యాక్షన్
Sir, 7 months back, a complaint was given by the Venkatesh to the Vice Chancellor.
మాకు నమ్మకం లేదు సార్. We don't have confidence on your committees. You can't do anything. We know that. We came to know one conclusion. You can't be able to do anything. We will fight for justice.
On that day, what you told, sir? You will respect the Professor Krishna come to report. In brief, you have told that. And now, the next day, what you have told that? No, this is a preliminary report. Okay.
No, sir. Sir, one thing is whatever the recommendations that have been prescribed in the earlier committee report.
So it is nothing but just insulting our professor. That's all. Okay. You have given a chance to our professor, Dalit professor, and you are again blaming our Dalit professor. That is nothing but it is blaming. Okay.
Nobody.
Sir, if you have, sir, if you have, you should have, sir. మీ ధైర్యం ఉంటే కమిటీ రికమెండేషన్స్ మొత్తం మీ అధికార యంత్రాంగాన్ని మొత్తం దాన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు ప్రొఫెసర్ కృష్ణ కమిటీ రిపోర్ట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మొత్తం మీరు బాధ్యత తీసుకొని దాన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి. ప్రొఫెసర్ల మీద బాధ్యత
తీసుకోవడానికి జ్యుడిషియల్ ప్రోబ్ అంటున్నారు.
ఏంటి సార్ విద్యార్థులను తీసుకోండి. మీ సార్ పెన్షన్ కట్ చేయండి.
Venkatesh wrote a letter for seeking guide allotment in July. Doctoral committee and guide allotment.
Semester registration.
Guide allotment also, sir. He told very clearly, guide also not there, doctoral committee members also not there. Okay. Then nothing happened, nothing. One
any guide without any doctoral committee like that you are saying?
What I'm saying, I'm only saying what is. Sir, I'm not.
No,
No, sir, that letter is
guide also he wrote. Guide also he wrote.
Why he is not allowed to get semester registration?
He wrote very clear, very clear.
Sir, in July month, Mr. Venkatesh, he approached you repeatedly for seeking guide. Okay. After 7 months also, you did not give any justice to that guide. So, for that reason, you should be punished. You should be punished as a Vice Chancellor. He approached you. So, we are demanding your resignation.
How can, sir, you people will ask,
will not leave it.
Still, how can, evidences are very clear. How can you come and ask standing in front of us? It is very shame, sir. You just take one action. That gives you actually your position. Very respect your position. Evidences are very clear. Don't come in front of us and don't ask like this, sir. We will constitute a judicial inquiry. No. It is all, sir, fake, sir. Fake statements you are giving. Every time you people are giving fake statements.
All the evidences are in front of
Fake
us
statements.
in written, and
It is an ethical question, sir, for you people. Ethical question. Evidences are very clear.
Vice Chancellor the Supreme, you will take any decision.
Yes.
First one is
Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen.
Will happen. Will happen.
Okay, sir.
The next one is whatever judicial probe will say, the punish the guilty will automatically happen.
Till then, Vice Chancellor should resign.
Okay. Okay, sir.
a Vice Chancellor.
You are coming to the point.
Sir,
Right, sir. Japan.
Anna, sir, one thing, a Vice Chancellor caused to the death of a student.
Let the judicial
Because
probe
Vice Chancellor did not provide him a guide. So, first of all, morally, he should be away from the
He can
position.
manipulate things. And he should
He should be away from the position. The Vice Chancellor himself caused to the death of a person.
సార్ మీ మీద అట్రాసిటీ కేసు బుక్ చేయాలంటే మాకు పేపర్లో ఎవిడెన్సెస్ చాలు సార్. అర్థమైందా? మేము ఎందుకు ఊరుకుంటున్నామంటే ఇప్పటికి ఎందుకు మేము నిశ్శబ్దంగా ఉంటున్నామంటే జస్ట్ వీఆర్ బిలీవింగ్ యూ అండ్ వీఆర్ రెస్పెక్టింగ్ యూ. అర్థమైందా?
Without us, you are not there, sir.
Our evidences, we have spoke to DGP also.
Without us, you are not there, sir. You all are not there without
Clear
us.
cut evidences are
We
there. You
also
file a case
community.
అని అన్నారు మా మీద.
We also on community.
What are doing అని చెప్తారు మమ్మల్ని.
We lost
అర్థమైందా?
9 people from our community, student community. Okay. Immediately, students have done something and 10 Dalit students rusticated. Why 9 students committed suicide? Nothing is happening. Why? And we are very weak, students are very weak. And you are very strong. You people can do anything, we can't do.
No, sir. Just answer that.
Because of vice chancellor negligence, people dying.
One straightforward question is, why not a scheduled caste student gets allotment of a guide when he gets admission to this university?
తమ్ముడు ప్రశాంత్ మనకు అవన్నీ మళ్ళీ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అవుతాయి. అవన్నీ కాదు,
We are even case by case we are sending.
మనకి వన్ వీక్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్. Okay? And he himself has accepted on 25th.
And he is the one of the accused.
Okay.
Resign
Right.
until unless there should not be any proof.
Right. సార్ మీరు ఇన్ఛార్జ్ తీసుకోండి సార్. యాజ్ అ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ మీరు ఇన్ఛార్జ్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఆయన రిజిగ్నేషన్ కాకుండా ఆయన పక్కన పెట్టండి.
At least, sir,
15 రోజులు
at least
పక్కన పెట్టండి.
suspend somebody. Then we will accept.
లేదన్నా ఒక ఉద్యోగి తన పనులు తను చేయనప్పుడు, నేను ఇందుకు చేయలేకపోతున్నాను ఆధారాలు చూపించలేనప్పుడు, నేను అసమర్థుడు అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా నిజం చేయాలి. లేదా తన అసమర్థతను సపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఏదైనా ఇవ్వాలి. అది ఇవ్వలేకపోతుంది, ఆ సార్ ఇవ్వలేకపోతుంది. ఇవ్వనప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోవాలి కదా. దానికేంటి ఇంకా మళ్ళీ యాక్షన్, మళ్ళీ జుడిషియల్ ఏంటిది? ఒక నిమిషం, నేను ఎందుకు చేయలేకపోతున్నాను అని ఇస్తే దాన్ని ఎవరన్నా ఎగ్జామిన్ చేస్తారు. అవునా కదా సార్? కదా, ఏమి లేనప్పుడు ఏంటి నిజం చేయాలి. నేను చేయలేను అన్నప్పుడు పక్క తప్పుకోవాలి కదా. ఇంకా దీనికేంటి నా ఇంత ముందుకు వదిలేస్తారండి మీరు?
చెప్పినట్టు వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ అథారిటీ ఉంది. దాని రిజిస్ట్రార్ సార్ చెప్తున్నారు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కోసం అనేసి ఆ అబ్బాయి లెటర్ పెట్టినారు. ఓకే, వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ దాకా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఎందుకు వస్తున్నారు? ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందనే కదా, ఎందుకు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేకపోయారు?
You are not addressing root cause. You are addressing only the peripheral aspect. He is having a major problem of guide. You are only discussing about his registration. Because of his guide allotment only he is having that problem. Otherwise, why he will have? Every time university is not addressing the root cause. Every time it is addressing the peripheral thing and feeling that you are doing a very good job.
Sir, now also, sir, I will produce the research scholars who is being harassed by the supervisor. Will you punish them?
At least
I will produce.
Yes, sir,
I will produce.
Sir, we have submitted an evidence report.
waiting on a bit.
No, that just Dean, why didn't you suspend him? Why didn't you remove him? School of Engineering, Science and Technology Dean, why didn't you remove him? When students don't get any guide allotment for 1.5 years? No, but after 1.5 years, that's after 1.5 year. 1.5 year after. I mean, how can that be justified, sir?
Why there are only dropouts from particular categories? Huh?
But why Dalit students only 8th year, 9th year, 10th year, no submission? Why it is happening for Dalit students? Dalit research scholars. Why? You take, sir, one report you take. How many Dalit students are 7th year, 8th year, 10th year? What is their problem?
అవన్నీ కాదు సార్, ఇవన్నిటికి కారకులైనటువంటి వ్యక్తి
Sir, don't worry. Today only we sat. Don't worry. Okay. So go and discuss, sir. At least evidence are very clear, sir. I am telling, sir. I am telling. Evidence are very clear. You also know. He wrote a letter, no response. Who is the responsible for that? So just find out and do something and come, sir. And we also will listen. We are ready to listen. We are ready to listen. Today only we sat. Okay. Nothing will happen.
Take tomorrow or day after tomorrow also will take no problem.
We will take time. We will discuss later, sir. Something has to happen. Then only we will move.
Student gets an award, Young Environmental Scientist Award from Malaysian and Indian Congress, but he doesn't get a guide allotment in University of Hyderabad. That student has to leave from University of Hyderabad, join an Osmania University, and he gets an international award. So how caste discrimination is operating in this university, we can understand. I can also tell you the student's name. He was Ashok Kumar. He was topper in tools and designing from Osmania University. He left. He was a dropout from our university. Now, what kind of answer are you going to give to the SC/ST students, sir? You are not agreeing in principle that there is caste discrimination. You are justifying that it has happened in 2011. Now it's not happening, so there is no cause explanation.
All I said is that you asked me today why this fellow didn't get a why in 2011. I don't actually have an answer.
Sir, it is very clearly evident, sir. Out of 2 students who join, 1 student can get a guide, and another student doesn't get a guide, and that student belongs to reserve category. There are declared intake is 7, and 2 students join. Out of 5 are reserved for chemistry, and chemistry faculty are there, but the student doesn't get a guide. What kind of answer do we expect for the students?
Prashant, please wait.
Prashant,
Please wait.
only
We'll
one
discuss
thing
later
is very clear.
Just
Sir, there are many individual cases. Still, there are many individual cases. That also we are finding out. We will send that whatever we are preparing, we will send. Okay.
If you are going to be the Vice Chancellor for 3 days, we will come with all the academic problems that the students are facing, and on behalf of this solidarity committee, we will discuss with you. That is other thing. That is other thing. That is other thing. But in this case, what is your responsibility? We are demanding for what is your responsibility.
Independent committee constitution.
Sir,
no need to come.
okay, sir. We are agreeing for independent judicial inquiry. But on the day, sir.
Sir, okay, sir.
Already told
The committee has to constitute by High Court. Okay, that should be very independent committee. You people should not identify people and constitute a committee. Okay, let it happen.
So if that is the
Go and discuss.
Yeah.
One more thing, sir. Sir. మా డిమాండ్ కూడా ఇంకొకటి పెడుతున్నాం మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ మీరు జ్యుడిషియల్ ఎంక్వైరీ కనుక వేసి వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ అనే వ్యక్తిని పాయింట్అవుట్ చేస్తే ఈ షుడ్ బి రెడీ ఫర్ రెసిగ్నేషన్.